guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishika Kashyap and in today's video we are finally going to do a manifestation proof video of 2024. 2024 was a roller coaster ride for me. बहुत बुरी चीज़ें भी हुई पर बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें भी हुई. And we're only going to talk about the positives of 2024. There are a lot of things that I've manifested and I'm so excited for you to hear the whole story behind it. So let's just get right into it. Now, the first goal of 2024 was to shift to Mumbai. This has been a goal for about 5 years now. पहले कोविड हो गया था, फिर मेरा जॉब दिल्ली में ही था तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाई. बट दिस टाइम आई प्रोएक्टिवली टुक द स्टेप्स एंड मूव टू माई ड्रीम सिटी. मुझे यहाँ 6 से 7 महीने हो गए हैं. मैं अराउंड जून में शिफ्ट हुई थी एंड लिटरली मुंबई वॉज on the front and center of my vision board of 2024, as you can see, and I am so happy here. I'm so happy that I manifested it. This city has given me so many opportunities. I've learned so much throughout my journey here and I'm very happy that I was able to manifest this. The second thing was that I wanted to live independently. अभी मेरे पास option था to like live in a PG or like in a shared space. I am living in a shared space. Like it's a 3 BHK apartment where I've occupied one room, but I do everything by myself. I've learned how to cook. I've learned how to do laundry, and I know that it sounds very privileged, but I've never done this before. I've never cooked before, and I've learned all of these things, and I feel hyper independent now that I'm able to manage everything on my own. No family member came with me to adjust me, to settle me in Mumbai. I did it all by myself. Pat on the back. I'm extremely happy. Family members, by the way, didn't come because of some personal family issues. But I'm so happy that I'm able to live independently. Why this has been a big goal for me is, that you really want to know how can you push your boundaries. I wanted growth and I knew कि मैं जब तक अपने personal space में नहीं होंगी I won't be able to grow, which makes me come to the third point, which is that I grew on YouTube. YouTube is a platform that I love. I've worked on in my career as well. And I really wanted to start my own YouTube channel, which I did last year. But this year, I really took it seriously, took it to the next level. I was very consistent throughout the year. I had uploaded so many shorts, so many videos. I've learned so much on this platform. And I'm so happy that today we're a family of about 9.5k and I love the growth that I've seen here. YouTube was also in the plan, in the vision board, that I wanted to actively work on this platform and I did. The fourth thing that I've manifested is a vacation to a tropical location. I traveled to the south of India like I mentioned in the last vision board video for 2024 that I will plan a tropical vacation and I did, and I was so happy. I literally have the same exact picture of the trip that I went to. Number 5 was to have like a very close-knit, nice birthday. Even the cake is something that I manifested. My friends got this cake for me, which was exactly like my vision board. It said 20 fine because 25 was, of course, a very milestone birthday. But I didn't want to have like a very loud party. What I wanted was to have very intimate gathering. So I was surrounded with my family, my friends, my loved ones, and it was so wholesome. Birthday eve पे मैंने party करी अपने friends और family के साथ in like an Airbnb, and it was great. We partied, हम बाहर भी गए, हमने घर पे भी house party करी, so it was a lot of fun. We played games, were up till night, so I think we had a lot of fun. And next day, on like my real birthday, we went for extended family dinner at this very beautiful North Indian restaurant. और हमने इतना कुछ खाया. दादी थी, नानी थी, मेरी मौसियाँ थी. Everybody was there and I had so much fun. It was a blast. It was such a wholesome and nice 25th birthday. I just wanted to celebrate with like my closest people. The next goal for me was to do live singing performances and gigs, and you won't believe, until December, that didn't come true, and randomly on December, I think 5th or 6th, I got a call saying that I have this opportunity and would you like to sing. And I was like, this is bizarre कि मैंने सोचा था मैं live singing करूँगी, and then I did. Actually on the 31st of December I was able to manifest this great live singing gig. I had a blast performing there. Yeah, that was also a manifestation that came true literally at the end of the year. The next goal on my vision board was to do more solo dates. जैसे मैं मुंबई शिफ्ट हुई, of course I was able to fulfill that. मैं इतने अच्छे solo dates पे गई हूँ. I've come up with great ideas as I've built a very positive relationship with myself. So I think बहुत personal development level पे भी I've achieved so much this year. Coming to the most exciting bit, I was able to manifest my lifelong dreams in this year in 2024. The first being, listen, I have to give you background for this. I'm a big Shreya Ghoshal and Shankar Mahadevan fan, and Shreya Ghoshal concert is something that I've been wanting to attend for so long, but she doesn't perform a lot in India or a lot in Delhi, so I wasn't able to ever attend her concerts. And it felt like a divine intervention. I felt like, some higher power is literally there to give me whatever I wanted. So one day my brother calls, he says that, Shreya Ghoshal is coming to perform in my college. Do you want to come? I say, what? How is that possible? You're lying to me. I was like, नहीं, मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, सच्ची में she is coming, it's finalized, come. So I was like, ठीक है, cool, I will come, of course, इसमें तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. And then we go there. It's like a free thing, and also I've been working in media, so I have a media card which trumps everything. तो मैंने वो वहाँ पे यूज़ किया, तो मैंने वो अपना media card वहाँ पे यूज़ किया. And I was like, listen, I've come from media, I want the VIP entry. And they're like, आपको ना ये कूद के जाना पड़ेगा. Like, I will do anything. मैं literally barricade से कूद के I went to the VIP section. And guys, I have seen Shreya Ghoshal up close performing. It was a dream. I was crying, I was laughing, and people were laughing at me that ये मेरे ढोलना पे क्यों रो रही है. But you have no idea what it means to me. It was just crazy that my dream of meeting Shreya Ghoshal came true. Like, I was the happiest on that day. I was the happiest person. So yeah, I got to see her perform live. And the second manifestation, which wasn't actually a manifestation but like a divine intervention again, after a month of the Shreya Ghoshal concert, we had like a media event. It was a very big media event, and surprisingly Shankar Mahadevan was performing, and surprisingly social media team, which is the team I work with, was in the booth where he will be coming with his team and doing like a photo shoot and a pre-social media sort of an interview. So I was like, I have to go. I wasn't supposed to be there at the event, but a lot of people in my office knew that, I'm a singer. I really like to, listen to stars, and it will be great for me. So my manager said, you know what, I'll register you, go to this event. And I went there, and मुझे याद है मैं अंदर घुसती हूँ, एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग, और एकदम से आवाज़ आती है, शंकर सर आ रहे हैं, एंड हिज होल टीम इज़ कमिंग. एवरीबडी एंटर्स, and I couldn't stop myself. They were like coming in for an interview, they were introducing themselves, whatever, and I just went inside और मैंने उनके पैर छू लिए. I said, sir, I'm such a big fan. For me this is like a dream come true. You're right in front of me, so I had to touch your feet and get blessings from you. It's a dream to see you in person. And like he was very cordial, very happy, very like nice as a person, and he was like, bless you beta, करके he greeted me really well. After that, you know what happened, that they were doing their photo shoots. They were like a bunch of fun people. All the artists were there with him. तो जब वो लोग photo shoot कर रहे थे ना, they started singing, and it was like, can you imagine Shankar Mahadevan with Grammy Award winners singing live in front of you? What is this live? Like, I felt like I was in a dream, but I wasn't. And I saw him, and I wanted to take a picture because मैं तब तो excitement में भूल ही गई थी कि मेरे को picture भी चाहिए. So I was like, sir, can I please take a picture? And he's like, yeah, of course. Somebody said that, she's a big fan of yours. And he's like, I'm a big fan of her. She's very nice. She's very happy. And it's so nice to meet people like that. And I went mad. And that happened. And then he performed live in front of us, and he sang Breathless, which was again like, can you believe that I had the front row seat to Shankar Mahadevan singing Breathless? No, nobody can believe it. I couldn't believe it, but that happened. I saw Shreya Ghoshal and Shankar Mahadevan front seat, front row, and it was great. Okay, now coming to other things, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें और भी हुई हैं. There was I really wanted an increase in my income substantially, like more than 100% is what I wanted, and I got it. I got an offer from somewhere. I gave a counter in my organization, and I got a relocation. I got the income that I wanted, and I achieved my goal. The annual income goal that I set for myself was achieved. So that was again something that was crazy to me. Then the another wish for this year was to get invited to a lot of events. I also do partnerships for my network, for my company, which is why I got to be a part of a bunch of social events, and it was great. Like, people call you, you attend the event, you had beverages, you have food, you click pictures, you have a great time, and it's a working day. So I got invited to like 2-3 events, and it was great fun. Yeah, the next thing that I manifested is a creative job. I told you in the last video I switched jobs. It's a very creative profile, it's a marketing agency, and I have to tell you more about it because there are other aspects and prospects for me as well in the future. So I'll tell you more about it later on in like a life update video, like I've promised. एंड या दीज वर माई मैनिफेस्टेशंस. कुछ और भी मैनिफेस्टेशंस थी बट वो पर्सनल थी. आई कुडंट शेयर इट विद यू, बट देर आर अ बंच ऑफ थिंग्स दैट डिड नॉट गेट मैनिफेस्टेड एज वेल, एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू टेक दिस वीडियो एज लाइक अ नेगेटिव थिंग कि हम लोगों से तो अचीव नहीं हो रहा, हाउ आर अदर पीपल अचीविंग इट. It's just that social media pe people want to share positive and happy things. A lot of things didn't go really well in my year. It was a very, very tough year mentally for me, but there were these, beautiful moments in this year. Lifelong dreams of watching Shreya Ghoshal, Shankar Mahadevan, shifting to Bombay, living independently had come true this year. So I just wanted to make like a positive video showing that, life is full of ups and downs, but there are ups, and when the ups come now, it's worth it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.